A program currently being undertaken by the Kenya Forestry Research Institute in collaboration with Japan International Cooperation Agency promises to offer a solution to climate change while also transforming the fortunes of regions considered unproductive in Kenya. As our reporter Judith Akolo reports, the project targeting 8 counties classified as arid and semi-arid lands, including Kitui, is restoring the hope of residents who have long suffered in the harshest consequences of dry weather conditions.
The strengthening forestry sector development and community resilience to climate change through sustainable forest management and landscape restoration. SFC COREC project being implemented by the Japan International Cooperation Agency and the Kenya Forestry Research Institute KFRI is fast changing the narrative of dry and unproductive land in Kitui County.
So I think this project will play a very important role because we are breeding for faster growth so that farmers can get income faster.
Apart from greening the once barren landscapes, the project is also building the technical capacity of researchers at KFRI in developing tree species that can do well in the dry areas.
The support of JICA to make that we realize the vision. Secondly, we are working on the models which can be upscaled. Yeah.
And again, we are still doing studies on a specimen, the spacing. That is why we came up with this demonstration plot so that we can train our farmers from the beginning. What should they do to attain the ball height of the tree wall?
These projects are spread out in 8 of the 23 counties in the country, classified as arid and semi-arid lands, the ASALs. They include Embu, Nyeri, Taita Taveta, Kitui, Makueni, Tharaka Nithi, Kilifi, and Kwale counties. The project has seen the development of dryland tree species known by its scientific name Melia volkensi, locally known as Mokau in Kamba region. Mokau has turned out to be the wonder tree in the drylands as it requires little amounts of water to grow.
I think Melia volkensi is very important. It's important because we are talking about the degradation issues in this country, yeah? And we need to restore the vegetation. And currently the government is talking about the 15 billion, planting of 15 billion trees.
What is more, as Melia tree grows, farmers can plant legumes including beans and cowpeas, locally known as nzoo, adding value to the household income. Melia tree is also endowed with many branches and leaves that provide more biomass that makes it best suited for climate change mitigation due to its ability to absorb more carbon.
This is really a very good species for mitigation and adaptation to climate change. Yeah, this is as outlined in the, in the Vision 2030. We have identified Melia as acacia tortilis as a priority species. We have also done what we call the nationally determined contribution, reducing the gas by about 30%. So we feel this is a species that will it's likely to contribute that in the drier areas.
While it has been a common belief that drylands in the country are low potential areas, according to Sessional Paper number 10 of 1965, investment in climate change mitigation and ecosystem restoration is turning the once desolate and barren regions of the country into productivity and a solution to the climate change debacle. Judith Akolo, Lunchtime News.